Hi, Brad Armstrong here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Want to show you our 2026 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This SDX is Sea Ray blue with a white bottom. It comes with a windlass anchor and the full anchor package. It has a white power tower, black canvas, and a 350 MerCruiser 6.2 liter engine. Let's go on the inside of the boat. On the inside of the Sea Ray 270 SDX, we have stone interior, woven teak flooring, dual Simrad screens at the helm, fusion stereo system, open bow with plenty of seating. This boat also comes with cup holders and chargers for your cell phone in different spots. Come see us at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. My name is Brad Armstrong. Hope to see you soon.